Hey beautiful people, welcome to another video. Today I'm showing you guys how I achieved this natural looking ponytail. Y'all can't tell me this ponytail ain't my hair. Now you guys, this hairstyle is super easy. It looks so good and it looks like it's coming from scalp, okay? It looks like my own hair. So if you guys are interested to see how you could get this hairstyle as well and go about your day fooling people left, right, and center, keep on watching. So first off, we're going to start off with moisturizing our hair. You guys know I am a moisture queen. I always tell you guys moisturize your hair is key because if your hair is dry, it's going to break. And we don't want no breakage hair. We value our hair on our head. So we're going to start off with moisturizing our hair. And while I am moisturizing my hair, I'm going to talk about how my relaxed hair journey is going so far. You guys, do I have any regrets? Absolutely not. I am so happy that I relaxed my hair. My life has been so much easier hair-wise. I've been able to do different hairstyles very quickly and just experiment more because I have more time. I absolutely love doing my hair now. I'm not knocking my natural hair. Like, I've loved doing my natural hair, but it just takes so much time. Like, I will have to literally block off my whole day just to do a natural hairstyle, and I am just so happy that having my hair relaxed, straightened, and just easier to handle makes it just more enjoyable. You know what I mean? So if you have natural hair, I am not knocking you. All for you, sis. I absolutely love having natural hair. Maybe I might return to being natural. I'm not sure. But as for now, I absolutely love having relaxed hair. I've seen a lot of nasty comments on other people's accounts. Not mine, but other people's accounts who went from natural to relaxed hair. People are saying, oh, you're putting poison in your system. Oh, you're not with the culture. Oh, you just can't handle your hair and your hair is not meant for you. You know what? This is our hair. Like, how are you telling other people how to deal with their own hair? Are you going to come and do our hair every week? I don't think so. And truth be told, a lot of people have really coarse textured hair and they just can't do their hair by themselves. Some people are not blessed to be able to do their hair by themselves. So having their hair in another state other than it being quote unquote natural does not mean that they're not for the culture, does not mean that they don't appreciate the natural hair. A lot of people literally go through depression because their hair is not done and because they can't afford to get it done, because real talk, these hairdressers be wildin', okay? You can't come with your hair not tangled, blow dried, washed. Like, come on, you guys. So people who relax their hair, I completely understand why. Because handling your own hair, especially if you don't know how to do hair, it's hard. Luckily, I've been blessed with that talent of doing hair and being able to do my own hair. But I just feel like for me, I was going through a point in my life where my head was always tied with like a hair tie or a silk cap or something, and I wasn't exposing my hair and I wasn't doing my hair as much as I would want to, meaning that I'm not leaving the house because I feel like I don't look good. So that's the reason why I relax my hair. Other people have other reasons, but I just don't condone people who go in comments and start to bash people for relaxing their hair rather than keeping it quote unquote natural. Mind you, your hair is still natural, it's just in a different state. So don't let people fool you into thinking, oh, because you relax your hair or you texlax or you perm your hair, you're not for the culture. Cause sis, I can wrap around you many a times, okay? Anyways, let's get into this hairstyle, y'all. So what I'm doing right now is actually sectioning off my hair. I'm going to section it off into two sections, the middle part and the perimeter. The middle part is where the ponytail is going to be, and that's where I'm going to clip in all the clip-ins just so that way it looks natural. If you don't want to keep your hair in a high ponytail, you could definitely keep it in a low ponytail and you don't have to part the back like I'm doing right now. But because I want a high ponytail, I'm going to part the back and around my head. That way I could position it as high or as low as I want. And when you're done, it should look something like this. You have a middle part and you have your perimeter all sectioned out. So now I'm just going to mist my hair with the Maya Rice Water Shine Mist. I don't have an opinion on this product, mainly because this is my first time using it. And I don't think it does anything for my hair, to be honest, other than make it shiny. I just bought it because the hair store attendant, like, basically told me I should try it out. And I'm a gimmo, okay? If you tell me to try something, I will definitely try it. But this is only my first time using it. So I'm going to use it for, like, a next 2 months or next couple of weeks and just see how it actually goes well with my hair. But as for now, I really have no opinion on it. Now we're gonna put our ponytail in the position where we want it to be. I highly recommend using an elastic band to tie up your hair rather than a ponytail holder, because it will get tight and it will pull your hair. Again, like I told you guys in my last video, use an elastic band, dip it in oil, and it will give your hair that slip and it won't rip out any of your hair, because again, you are putting in clip-ins and you are putting your hair in a ponytail, so it's going to be tension a little bit, and that elastic band will just make it feel like you literally have nothing on your head rather than using like a scrunchie or ponytail holder. So use a elastic band, put it 2 to 3 times, and you are literally good to go, y'all. Now for the fun part, because I only have these type of clip-ins and these are the ones that I've made, they are not as flat as they could be. If you do have seamless clip-ins, they will come out even flatter and probably a little bit better. But because these are the only clip-ins that I have for now, these are what I'm going to use. So you would want to start off with a 2-clip or a 3-clip. Because you are closer to your ponytail, you don't want that long piece, because then you're gonna have to wrap it around that ponytail and that defeats the purpose, right? So you want to start off with a 2-clip or a 3-clip track and just clip it right at the tip of your ponytail, and that will give you a nice start and a nice foundation to that ponytail. Once it is clipped in, this is how it looks. So it looks really, like, it looks like it's gonna blend really well, right? So once you're done the front, you're gonna go to the back. Now, when you are doing the back, because you're doing a ponytail, you want to put the clip-ins in an upward position, meaning that you want the hair to go forward and not down. Because when you go forward, you're already molding your ponytail, so there's no need to manipulate or twist that hair because it's already in the way that it wants to go. But if you were doing a low ponytail, then you just basically do it all down. But because I'm doing a high ponytail, you want to put that clip-in up rather than down, and then this is how it's going to look once it's clipped in. So I'm basically doing this for my whole head. The further away I get from the ponytail, the longer the tracks are going to be, until I reach to the part where I divide it, like the perimeter. So just vibe out for a little bit, and then I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the perimeter part. So once you feel like your ponytail is full enough, you could go ahead and take out all those clips from the front, and then we're gonna see how the ponytail looks where our hair is all back. When I took it out, I realized that I saw like the demarcation of where my hair is and where the extensions were. I did not like that. So what I ended up doing was I ended up putting a track right in front of my hair, and it honestly made such a huge difference. So you can see where my hair is on top and where the extensions are at the back. So adding that track in the front, literally you guys, saved the day. I'm not even lying to you guys. The blend was so amazing after I put it in. It was really good. So what I did was I just made a line right across my hair because I just wanted to do a cross. I didn't want like a middle part in my ponytail or anything. It was just going to be like a full slick back. So it was okay to put the hair like that. If you do want to do a middle part, I would suggest you using 2 pieces instead of 1 track. And then I added that extensions there at the front, just straight across. And then once I put it back in a ponytail, y'all, the blend was immaculate. Okay, like I was so proud of myself. I did it. It looked really, really good. So as you guys can see, my hair is fully blended in. You cannot tell where my hair starts and where it begins. Oh, no, wait. You can't tell where my hair starts and where it ends because it just blends so well. It looks really natural as well because, you know, when people wear ponytails, the front of the ponytail is always shorter than the back. But yeah, and this, where's the tracks, okay? Where's the tracks? Where is the tracks? You can't see it. And if you can, just readjust it like I'm doing right now. But honestly, you guys, this hairstyle, when I saw it on TikTok, I'm like, okay, let me try this because I really want to see how it's going to work. And I absolutely love it. It literally looks like my hair. And you could achieve this with any type of hair you have. If you have type 4 hair, type 3, 2, 1, whatever you have, you could achieve this hairstyle. Just get the tracks or get the hair that matches your hair type and you are good to go. Now, just to make the finishing touches on this hairstyle, I'm using my Silk Therapy finishing spray. You guys, I absolutely love this. I've been using it for about a month now, and it works so well. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy. It doesn't have a harsh smell to it. It's amazing. So I use it all the time now, literally. And I do spray it on my brush rather than directly on my hair. I love how it just makes the application process so much easier. And now I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail where I want it to stay. Make sure everything is covered, make sure everything is blended, and it looks really good, you guys. So one of the biggest things I've changed since I've had relaxed hair is I am now using silk scrunchies, y'all. I do not use any other scrunchies other than silk if it's on my natural hair. I have found this on Amazon and it honestly changed my life. When I use silk scrunchies, I find that my hair keeps that moisture around the band longer. It does not snag on my hair and it just works. And it makes sense because we wrap our hair with silk headscarves and bonnets all the time. So even having a ponytail holder that's silk, it just helps with the hair retention, your hair health. And you guys know I'm all about health, retention, and growth. So I do have it on my Amazon store linked down below. Make sure you guys go check it out. But yeah, it changed my life, y'all. I am not going back because silk scrunchies work, okay? They absolutely work. So when you're done your ponytail, you could honestly leave it straight if you want. I want to add a little bit of a curl to it, so I added some wand curls. You guys, I used to do wand curls all the time, but it's been a hot minute. But doing this actually made me miss doing wand curls a lot. I got my wand from, I believe, a beauty hair store, but you can also get it on Amazon as well. I have one linked in my Amazon store. This one is the tapered barrel. I like how the tapered one looks better, especially for ponytails. So that's what I'm using right now, but you can honestly get them anywhere. I wanted that beachy, fun, carefree look for this ponytail, and that gave me exactly what I wanted, and it looked absolutely amazing. It looks so cute, you guys. I'm just happy that I tried this hairstyle because I've been seeing it all over my TikTok, and I really want to try it, and now that I did, it turned out really, really well. And you guys can honestly achieve this hairstyle easy, no problem. A lot of people will think this is your natural hair, especially if you use it especially if you use a texture that matches your hair to perfection. But honestly, you guys, go out, try this hairstyle, get some clip-ins because clip-ins are so versatile. You can use them honestly for anything and it will save time. That is what I'm all about right now, saving time. I do not want to spend a whole day on my hair. Like, that is ridiculous now that I'm thinking about it. But get yourself some clip-ins and just go wild. So this is how the hairstyle looks, y'all. It is super cute. The waves or the curls came out really good as well. And when you're done, just want to make sure that you can't see the tracks because you don't want people pointing out the tracks for you, okay? So I like to do like a 360 look just to make sure the tracks are not showing. And it is super easy to achieve, y'all, especially if you are in a rush and you want to do something quick, simple, and easy. This is my go-to. This is gonna be my new go-to hairstyle. And again, it does not have to be a high ponytail. It could be a low ponytail as well, but it just looks so cute, so effortless, and it is a good everyday hairstyle. So this is me a little bit more dressed up. And I like the fact that it looks really natural. Like, I'm not wearing any makeup or anything, and it just makes me look like a clean, natural girl. And because I am a glasses girly as well, I got tried out the glasses. If you're a glasses girly, this works super good. It looks like student, it looks like smart, it looks like don't mess with me because I know what I'm doing. It looks like I got some brains. I'm black, booked, beautiful, and educated, okay? That's how it looks. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.